Picture this. It's a hectic weeknight, your family's starving, and you're craving something crispy, juicy, and guilt-free. Sound familiar? Enter this Cosori Air Fryer Pro 9-in-1, compact 5-quart, a sleek, chef-grade kitchen marvel that's about to revolutionize how you cook. Whether you're searing a perfect steak, whipping up crispy chicken for the kids, or indulging in low-carb seafood, this air fryer delivers mouth-watering results in half the time. Curious? Let's dive into why this is the must-have appliance of 2025. Why the Cosori Air Fryer Pro stands out. This isn't just another air fryer, it's a culinary powerhouse designed for busy food lovers who refuse to compromise on flavor or health. With 450 degrees Fahrenheit high heat cooking and JuiceLock technology, it locks in moisture while creating that golden, crispy crust you crave. Plus, its compact design and one-wipe clean glass panel make it a dream for small kitchens and hassle-free cleanup. Ready to explore what makes this air fryer a game changer? Key features that'll spark your culinary creativity. Here's why the Cosori Air Fryer Pro 9-in-1 is stealing the spotlight. 9-in-1 versatility. From steak to bacon to veggies, choose from 9 cooking modes tailored for everything from low-carb diets to family feasts. Blazing 450 degrees Fahrenheit heat. Cook meals up to 50% faster than traditional methods, perfect for quick dinners without sacrificing flavor. JuiceLock technology. Say goodbye to dry meat. This feature ensures every bite is tender, juicy, and bursting with flavor. 5-quart capacity. Feed 2 to 3 people with ease, ideal for small families or meal prep enthusiasts. 130 plus wellness recipes. Access a 30-recipe cookbook and 100+ app recipes via the VeSync app, complete with nutritional info to track protein, calories, and more. 85%. Less oil. Enjoy crispy textures without the guilt, making indulgent meals healthier for you and your loved ones. Dishwasher-safe non-stick. Basket. Cleanup is a breeze. Just pop the basket in the dishwasher and relax. Compact and stylish. Its space-saving design fits any countertop, leaving room for prep while looking sleek in gray. Benefits. That'll make you hungry for more. Imagine serving up restaurant-quality meals without the hefty price tag or calorie count. With the Cosori Air Fryer Pro, you're not just cooking, you're crafting experiences. Here are the top perks. Speed. Meats flavor. The 450-degree Fahrenheit setting means you're dishing out golden chicken wings or seared steaks in minutes, not hours. Healthier indulgence. Craving fried foods? Get that crispy crunch with 85% less oil so you can enjoy guilt-free bacon or fries. Diet-friendly flexibility. Whether you're keto, low-carb, or just health-conscious, the app's nutritional insights and versatile cooking modes keep your goals on track. Who's this air fryer for? This air fryer is a match made in heaven for busy parents. Whip up kid-approved meals in a flash, from chicken nuggets to veggie fries. Health enthusiasts, low-carb dieters and wellness warriors will love the oil-free cooking and detailed nutritional guides. Small space dwellers. Its compact size is perfect for apartments or cozy kitchens without sacrificing capacity. Foodie experimenters. With 130+ recipes and 9 cooking functions, you'll never run out of ideas to impress your taste buds. Real talk. What's it like to use? I tested this beauty for a week, and let me tell you, it's a vibe. The one-wipe clean glass panel. A total time saver. I made crispy bacon for breakfast, a juicy steak for dinner, and even roasted veggies for a side, all in one day. The VeSync app was my sous chef, guiding me with recipes and nutritional stats that made meal planning a breeze. My only wish? Maybe a bolder color option for those who love a pop of personality. But honestly, the gray is sleek and modern, blending right into my kitchen. The non-stick basket is a cleanup dream. nothing sticks, and it's dishwasher-safe, so I spent more time eating than scrubbing. Plus, the square basket maximizes space, letting me cook enough for my family of 3 without needing a second batch. If you're juggling work, kids, or just life, this air fryer feels like a personal chef in a box. Why now's the time to upgrade your kitchen? In 2025, we're all about smarter, faster, and healthier cooking. The Cosori Air Fryer Pro 9-in-1 checks every box, blending cutting-edge tech with user-friendly design. Don't just take my word for it. Still on the fence? The Cosori Air Fryer Pro has a 4.7-star rating from thousands of users who rave about its speed, ease, and flavor-packed results. One user called it the ultimate kitchen hack for busy nights, while another said, "My steaks have never been juicier." With a 30-recipe cookbook and app support, you're not just buying an appliance, you're unlocking a world of culinary possibilities. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.